Yeah, I just want to say, look what the Lord has done. Because listen, your girl is trying to garden. I was obedient when He told me to start it in May, and so, baby, it's been a journey. Okay, because your girl had to switch her watering schedule up. There was fungus growing. Listen, stuff just be happening. Okay, but listen, God is good. Look at this. My squash is blooming. That's just beautiful. Look, come on, I love it. You see the potatoes. I don't think it's that time to pour it out, but yeah. But here's what I really want to show you because listen, my tomato plants have been growing taller, and I'm just like, Lord, when is gonna start producing, right? Because like some of y'all been going to church for years, say you know God, but ain't got no fruit. So guess what? I came out this morning to water, okay? Because you gotta keep the plants hydrated, okay? And guess what I see? Cue the shout music, because baby, look what the Lord is doing, okay? You see the little bitty baby, she coming in. And there's another one. God is just doing miraculous things out right here, okay? But if I could say anything, just start gardening. I mean, look up your frost date and all of that stuff. But just start, even if you probably should wait till the fall to do some fall plants because this heat is heating. But listen, start anyway. I don't know. You never know what's gonna produce.